That's good stuff. Let's make some rice pudding. Been eating this for years. You use leftover rice, some eggs. You use salt, or a dash of salt, but I'm using salted butter, so I'm not gonna put that dash of salt. Sugar, nutmeg, milk, heavy cream, vanilla, and bread. So let's start assembly. I got my recipe here. I'm gonna put my glasses on because I don't want to add stuff, use the wrong measurement. So let's go. I'm gonna beat the eggs first. The rice, I'm just going to add all this stuff to this bowl. This is 2 cups. I'm not gonna pour it all in there, but for the majority, and then we'll test it and see, check on the sweetness of it. You can always put some more on top. 2 and 3. A little more for good measure. Get the bread, and I got some bread I'm going to show you that I got from Costco. This is a croissant loaf from Costco. A lid. And into the fridge doorway. In the glass pan. And bake it. Got it out of the fridge. And this is what it looks like. Mix it back up because stuff can separate. Into the oven, 350 degrees for 1 hour. I'll be back when it's done. Here it is out of the oven. Cook. It's the next day. Let's see. I ate a little square that was there. Little brother said it was good, which it is. I'm gonna eat the other square, even though I like centerpieces. I'll let you see what it looks like. It's very dense. There's another good look. And since it's been in the fridge, I'm going to warm it up in the microwave and get all these little stray bits. Do you call it rice pudding or do you call it rice bread pudding? We call it rice pudding. It's good. So you got leftover rice. You can make a dessert. Later.